Hello everyone and welcome to Vlinko's channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix random computer shutdowns without any apparent reason. And now let's get started. The first step to resolve random PC shutdowns is to disable the automatic restart feature. To do this, click on the search button in the bottom left corner of your screen and type View Advanced Settings. From the best match results, click on View Advanced System Settings. On the System Properties window, navigate to the Advanced tab and click on the Settings button under the Startup and Recovery section. In the Startup and Recovery window, locate the Automatically Restart option and uncheck the box next to it. Then, click OK and OK again to apply the changes. Next, we need to turn off the Fast Startup feature. Click on the Start button and type Control Panel in the search bar. Open the Control Panel. If you are viewing by category, switch to either large or small icons for easier navigation. Locate and click on Power Options. Within Power Options, click on Choose what the power buttons do. Here, you should see an option that says Turn on Fast Startup. Ensure this box is unchecked. If you do not see this option, or if it is grayed out, click on Change Settings that are currently unavailable, and then uncheck the Turn on Fast Startup box. After unchecking it, click Save Changes, and then restart your computer. If the issue persists after restarting, we will adjust the power plan settings. Go back to the Control Panel and open Power Options again. Click on Change Plan Settings for your currently selected power plan. Then, click on Change Advanced Power Settings. In the Advanced Power Settings window, expand Hard Disk, and then expand Turn Off Hard Disk after. For both On Battery and Plugged In, change the value to Never by selecting it from the drop-down menu. Click Apply, and then OK. Restart your computer to see if the problem is resolved. As a final troubleshooting step, we will run an SFC scan. This utility helps repair corrupted system files that might be causing random shutdowns. Click on the Search button and type Command Prompt. Right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. If you see a user account control prompt, click Yes or Continue. In the Command Prompt window, type the command sfc/scannow and press Enter. This process may take about 10 to 15 minutes and involves several phases. Once the scan is complete, it will attempt to repair any corrupted files. After the scan finishes, restart your computer. More often than not, these steps should resolve the random shutdown issue. If you are still experiencing problems after trying all these solutions, please leave a comment below, and I will do my best to provide further assistance. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.